So I wanted to show the differences today on why I had the new subframe built for the body and the bed versus using the old subframe. This old subframe it's got some pretty good pitting in it. It's not quite as thick of a metal as I would have liked because your roll cage attaches to it. And if you look at the differences, like if you look here, you can see the thickness in here is almost double on this channel on this side. So basically I had KOEHNE'S Welding Service, which is a local welding shop here in town. They do a really good job. I dropped this template off and I told them just to copy it with extra heavy metal. So the plan is now I'll probably set the bed on it. We've got to cut out some of the floor of the body. I'm going to set the body on top, and then we're going to build a new roll cage in it that will allow a driver and a passenger seat in the front plus the full back seat in the back. Instead of that one wouldn't allow a passenger to sit on the passenger side. So, and we're going to build a little better roll cage than what was previously in the truck. I do want a little bit better safety for the occupants of the vehicle. So, anyway, but yeah, so basically just updated it. Wanted to show the differences between the two before I move this one back out. I'm going to put this one in the shop and start working on getting stuff mounted to it. So I got the subframe in the shop. I got the bed flipped over. This is kind of what it looks like. I got to do a little trimming on the mounts in the back, but until I can get the cab up there, can't make any adjustments on that. Line up the body lines. That's where the bolt mounts are, both bed. And that's what it looks like.